Welcome to the definitive guide to ANC Earbuds 2026. In this video, we'll cover the best overall picks under 5,000 rupees. We are evaluating the rapid evolution of budget premium true wireless stereo or TWS earbuds and exploring the current market pulse in 2026. We compare legacy picks, which often exceed the 5,000 rupees bracket, with the 2026 winners, focusing on performance to value ratio, specifically the Realme Air 8 and OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. Here are our final 5 rankings. At number 1 is the Realme Air 8, the ANC king with 55 decibels reduction. Number 2 is the OnePlus Nord with superior call quality. And number 3 is the CMF Buds 2, featuring an innovative case style and dual driver base. The champion is the Realme Air 8. Its 55 decibels Ultra ANC and dual driver setup set a new benchmark, offering high-res audio previously reserved for more expensive buds. It also boasts 58 hours of total playback. The OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro is perfect for commuters. It offers 49 decibels of reliable ANC and AI-assisted triple mics for crystal-clear calls, even in traffic. A quick 10-minute flash charge gives you 11 hours of music playback. In this ANC depth comparison, the Realme Buds Air 8 leads with 55 decibels, followed by CMF Buds Pro 2 at 50 decibels, and the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro at 49 decibels. Looking at total battery life, the Realme Buds Air 8 dominates with 58 hours, significantly outperforming competitors like the JBL Tune Beam 2 and OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. Our technical specification matrix highlights key differences, such as the dual drivers in Realme and CMF Buds, different audio codecs, and latency performance, with Realme Air 8 offering the lowest latency at 40 milliseconds. The 2026 design spotlight features the CMF Smart Dial Control, the Sony Compact Ergonomics, and the sleek Oppo Titanized aesthetic. To conclude, in 2026, noise cancellation is a budget standard. The Realme Air 8 stands as the peak of this evolution, according to Gemini Audio Intelligence.